How to change to dark mode on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change to dark mode on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find here display and brightness and click on it. And as you see here, you will find the view mode. Now you will find it like that, and then all you need to do is just enable it and then go back. It will be saved, or you can just type here dark mode and you will find it, then click on it, and that's it. And that's how to change to dark mode on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.